Did you know at Pride Marine Group we offer 3 types of secure storage for your boat? The most cost-effective outdoor storage option includes shrink wrapping, with every boat safely tucked away in one of our secure compounds. We also offer convenient rack storage, summer and winter. Our covered racks keep your boat off the ground while being protected from the elements with no shrink wrap required. One advantage of rack storage is airflow, which can help keep your boat drier than shrink wrap. If you wish, we can winterize your boat for you, ensuring all systems and components are ready for the freezing winter temperatures. Indoor heated storage is our most premium option, where your boat will remain warm and dry for the entire winter. No need to winterize engines or water systems, as the indoor temperatures never fall below 15 degrees Celsius, and the warm, dry air will help dry out any moisture that may have accumulated over the summer. With limited space, be sure to reserve your winter storage spot early. Pride Marine Group. Worry-free boating.